In today's competitive landscape, leads are everywhere, but converting them into revenue? That's where many businesses struggle. BugendaiTech presents LMS lead management system within Salesforce. Meet Apex Manufacturing, a mid-sized company that designs industrial equipment and serves hundreds of distributors worldwide. Like many growing businesses, Apex faced a common challenge. Leads were coming in from everywhere: website forms, trade shows, email campaigns, and partner referrals. But managing them efficiently? That was the real struggle. Sales and marketing teams worked in silos. Leads were tracked manually in spreadsheets. Some inquiries went unnoticed, while others were contacted multiple times. Without a proper system, they couldn't measure where leads came from, which campaigns worked, or how many actually converted into customers. Let's deep dive and see how LMS works. As soon as the form is submitted, Salesforce automatically creates a new lead in the Lead tab, capturing every detail instantly. At the same time, SDRs manage and logs calls using CTI, which integrated with Salesforce, which acts as one of the key lead qualification steps. Once a lead enters the system, our automation engine takes over. The system evaluates each lead based on key parameters: job title, industry type, revenue, and lead source, assigning a lead score instantly. A higher score means higher priority. When SDRs connect with them through WhatsApp calls or emails, and when all that information comes together, it gives sales reps a clear picture to decide how qualified that lead really is. Leads sync automatically with MailChimp via bidirectional integration for personalized nurturing. Slack Salesforce integration instantly notifies sales reps when new leads are created. When a lead reaches a qualified score and is ready to engage further, it's converted into an account, contact, and opportunity for the next action towards closing the deal. Every opportunity passes through structured stages: qualification, need analysis, proposal. At the proposal stage now, sales representative will create a price book and add the required products to create a quote. Quote is generated as PDF. Opportunity is now moving ahead to negotiation. Agreement signed. And finally, it's closed won. Now order is placed and contact gets notified on email/SMS, where their order can be tracked seamlessly. Along with this, case is created associated with the same order to manage and monitor all the raised tickets. If cases arise, they can be created, updated, and resolved, all within Salesforce. Calendly events sync automatically with Salesforce, which is used by sales rep aligned with their calendar, while Slack ensures real-time notifications about the scheduled calls or upcoming events and team collaboration at every step. Real-time dashboards offer complete visibility, from case insights and order insights to company performance. Each dashboard is fully customizable to your business workflow. Here we get full 360-degree view to your whole customer journey. From campaign to closure, every lead, opportunity, and case is managed in one intelligent system. Automate, qualify, score, convert, accelerate with Salesforce and BugendaiTech.